Think you know everything about dinosaurs? Think again. Some of them were covered in feathers, some were chicken-sized, and others were bigger and smarter than you can imagine. In this video, I'll reveal strange and amazing facts about dinosaurs that no one has told you before. Let's jump right in. 1. Some dinosaurs were covered in feathers. Not all dinosaurs had scales. Some, like Microraptor, were feathered, making them terrifying bird-like creatures. Scientists believe that feathers were not just for flight, but also used for insulation, or even display and mating, just like modern birds. The presence of feathers supports the theory that today's birds are actually descendants of dinosaurs. This changes our entire perspective. Dinosaurs weren't all huge and scary. They came in many shapes and behaviors, and some were closer to birds than reptiles. 2. The T-Rex had a super sense of smell. The Tyrannosaurus rex wasn't just powerful, it had an incredibly sharp nose that could smell prey from great distances. Scientists believe a large part of its brain was dedicated to its sense of smell, allowing it to locate prey or even carrion from far away. This gave the T-Rex a huge advantage in hunting or finding food, even in complex environments. With that tracking ability, it was like a giant bloodhound, but in the body of a terrifying predator. 3. Dinosaurs didn't completely go extinct. The birds we see today are direct descendants of dinosaurs. Yes, the chicken you eat for dinner is part of the dinosaur family. Many scientists actually consider birds to be modern dinosaurs, as they evolved from small feathered species during the Jurassic period. Birds have kept many traits from their ancestors, such as lightweight skeletons, egg-laying, and even certain behaviors. So technically, dinosaurs never fully disappeared. They're still flying around and singing in trees. 4. The fastest dinosaurs ran like Olympic sprinters. Ornithomimus could run at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour, faster than the fastest human alive. It had a lightweight body and long, thin legs like an ostrich, making it one of the fastest dinosaurs ever. Its speed helped it escape predators, chase small prey, or move quickly between food sources. Imagine a dinosaur the size of an ostrich, sprinting like a pro athlete, but with a long tail and sharp claws. 5. Dinosaurs used to swallow stones. Some herbivorous dinosaurs swallowed small stones to help grind their food in the stomach, like a natural blender. These stones, known as gastroliths, played a crucial role in digestion, especially since many dinosaurs didn't have strong teeth for chewing plants. After eating, the stones would move inside the stomach and help break down the food, just like a blender, making it easier to absorb nutrients. Surprisingly, some modern birds, like chickens, still use the same method to digest food. 6. The Stegosaurus had a brain the size of a walnut. Despite its massive body, its brain was so tiny that scientists wondered how it survived. The Stegosaurus could grow up to 9 meters long, but its brain was only about the size of a walnut, or a clenched fist. It likely relied on simple instincts rather than complex thinking. And its nervous system was partially distributed, especially near the hips, helping it control its spiked tail. Being a slow-moving herbivore, it didn't need much intelligence. Its spiky armor did the job just fine. 7. Some dinosaurs were really smart. Troodon was one of the smartest dinosaurs and may have been capable of making relatively complex decisions. It had one of the highest brain-to-body size ratios among dinosaurs, suggesting advanced mental abilities like planning and quick environmental adaptation. It also had sharp senses, including excellent vision, which helped in hunting and survival. These advanced cognitive skills made Troodon one of the most intelligent dinosaurs ever discovered. 8. Giant dinosaurs weighed as much as dozens of elephants. Argentinosaurus is considered one of the largest creatures to ever walk the earth, weighing around 100 tons. This massive herbivore lived in the late Cretaceous and could reach 35 meters in length. Its enormous size, comparable to 15 to 20 African elephants, made it a true giant. Its long neck helped it reach tall trees for food. Although slow, its sheer size protected it from predators. Argentinosaurus is a perfect example of how some dinosaurs evolved to become gigantic to thrive in their environments. 9. Some dinosaurs were tiny. On the other end, some dinosaurs were as small as chickens, like Compsognathus. This little dino, from the Jurassic period, was about 1 meter long and weighed just a few kilograms. Despite its size, it was fast and agile, feeding on insects and small reptiles. Its light frame made it quick and nimble, and it even shared features with modern birds, helping scientists understand the bird-dinosaur connection. 10. Dinosaurs had unique ways of communicating. Not just through roaring, they used body language, colors, and even musical sounds via skull cavities. Like modern animals, dinosaurs likely used body movements to express emotions or communicate socially. Some may have used their tails, limbs, or even feet in certain situations, like attracting mates or warning rivals. Bright colors and patterns may have been used for display, mating, or warnings. Recent studies show that some dinosaurs may have used skull structures to create musical or low-frequency sounds to attract mates or signal danger. 11th. Dinosaur eggs came in all sizes, some huge, some tiny. Some dinosaur eggs were the size of a soccer ball, while others were no bigger than a chicken egg. The size depended on the species. Some, like Eoraptor, laid small eggs, while giants like T-Rex and Argentinosaurus laid much larger ones. Larger eggs often held faster developing embryos, while smaller eggs were laid in larger numbers. The size and shape of the egg affected how it was laid and cared for. Some built nests, others hid eggs in safe spots. 12th. Dinosaurs lived on every continent. Even Antarctica was once home to dinosaurs, back when the climate was very different. Dinosaurs lived all over the world, including the South Pole, which used to be a warm, forested region millions of years ago. The species living there were adapted to milder climates, and fossils show that lush forests and fertile lands once existed there. So yes, dinosaurs roamed every continent, from the North Pole to the South, thanks to ancient climate conditions that supported diverse life. 13. Some had terrifying claws over a meter long. Therizinosaurus had massive, knife-like claws, even though it was a plant eater. At first, scientists thought it was a fierce predator, but it turns out this bizarre dinosaur used its claws for defense or to help reach and cut through plants. It also had a massive body and a long tail, making it one of the strangest dinosaurs ever discovered. Despite its fearsome appearance, it preferred forest environments and lived on vegetation. 14. Not all dinosaurs crawled like reptiles. Some walked on 2 legs, others on 4, and some could switch depending on the situation. Dinosaurs moved in various ways. Some, like T-Rex and Velociraptor, walked on 2 strong hind legs, using their smaller front limbs for grabbing or balance. Others, like Argentinosaurus and Stegosaurus, walked on all 4s to support their massive size. Some, like Deinonychus and Spinosaurus, could alternate between bipedal and quadrupedal movement depending on what they were doing. This range of motion reflects how dinosaurs adapted to their environments, whether chasing prey or foraging slowly. 15. Some dinosaurs were nocturnal. Studies of their skulls and eye sockets show that some dinosaurs were active at night. These nocturnal dinosaurs had larger eyes or special adaptations for low-light conditions, helping them see in the dark or at dawn and dusk. Dinosaurs like Deinonychus and Velociraptor had enlarged areas in their skulls related to vision, suggesting they could hunt or forage at night. Being active during different times gave them an edge, avoiding predators or competing species by living a nighttime lifestyle. From feathered raptors to speed, smarts, and strange ways of communicating. Dinosaurs were mind-blowing in every way. Which fact amazed you the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more strange and awesome facts.